Welcome to Obsidian 4516. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. This list has all 45 teams in there. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 1, Borussia Dortmund right there. There's for proof. 2, whoever's on top of the end, person spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom, person spot 45. 3, 4. On the 5th and final spin, top team is Tottenham. Bottom team is Man United. That is 5 times. Jeez, pace is getting late. That's 5 times, as you can see the list there. Head on over to where you picked up your spots to see your team. Good luck all. Yes, absolutely, Carpana. We'll be doing a few more, maybe some mixes of like... I think we're blasting, Tabby. I see the orange on top, which means it's a good chance. That's Color Blast. Okay. Last box. Danny Olmo is the first hit for what it's worth.
That's quite nice.
Yes. Felipe Coutinho for Brazil, number 29 and 99. Vitreous. Yeah, I was thinking of doing some mixes of Chrome Hobby, Chrome Jumbo. Just gets through them. To 35, it is Ricardo Montalivo, Cutting Edge. Oh, damn, now it means that I get to bully Bailey less. Up next, Galaxy Gear patch for Spain's Cesc Fabregas, number 24 or 25. Come on. Tabby's excited. Tabby's standing over me like a stinky smell. Auto for SL Benfica of Lazar Markovic. Number 39 of 149. I'll be getting a few of those up next week. Nah, he tweaking. And then for Benfica, it is Renato Sanchez. Benfica is just cleaning up. Alrighty. Here we go. Do we go from this side, you reckon? Go from this side. Alrighty. Oh, what is that smell? I don't know who that is. Mason Greenwood Color Blast! That is a big boy! Oh, Lord! Nah, he is tweaking. I saw Mason and thought it was Mason Mount, so I was going to start insulting it. That is very nice. Manchester United's Mason Greenwood. Congratulations, Matty. That's a nice card. Danny Olmo, Orange for Spain, numbered 6 of 50. And that is that for that. Sitting 4516. Done.